Instagram's Threads. The new competitor of Twitter is here to stay, and you cannot miss out. I'm not gonna cover the backstory and why this is happening. You can read that in an article, or maybe I'll make a video about it in the future, but we are here for the practical side of it. So let me tell you how to utilize this app in order to potentially make some online bread. So let's go. So first of all, in case you're thinking why you should trust a random guy on the internet, I want to let you know that I have over 2.7 billion followers on TikTok, I've grown multiple accounts on Instagram, and the one I own now is sitting at over 100,000 followers. So combining my knowledge on social media and a huge amount of research throughout the years, I managed to combine those and make a video for you. So now the important stuff. First of all, this app is new. That means that the exposure is probably gonna be high, like with Snapchat Spotlight. In the beginning you were able to get tons of views and also make thousands of dollars per month, because companies always want to push their new feature or app. So great, there is an opportunity, but what should you do with it? What niche should you follow? Well, that's my concern. Twitter, for example, is more mature. You know what niches there are and which are successful and which are not. But with Threads, I've seen that the most popular content seems to be anything that is funny, and that's pretty limiting. But there are a few profitable niches jumping into Threads. The only issue is that the app hasn't matured and we don't know if that content works. But if your niche is educational and you really want to teach people something, I would advise you to really jump inside this app, meaning from finance and business to physics. And I would suggest using it exactly like Twitter. Look at Justin Welsh, for example. He's making $1.7 million per year with his Twitter account by selling a few info products, aka courses, and he has 0 employees. So obviously education sells on Twitter, so I'm imagining that it's gonna sell on Threads as well. But if your niche isn't profitable, make it. You can do that with A, reposts, like on Instagram where you can buy shoutouts, and depending on your niche, engagement and number of followers, you can charge to do reposts. B, you can do sponsored posts, pretty classic. And C, grow and sell. I haven't heard anyone talking about that. If this app is gonna be big, there will be people selling and buying accounts, meaning that you can utilize this hype train and grow multiple accounts, which you can later sell. And you can do that by first growing one page and then using that audience from the first page in order to promote your new pages. So in the future you will have a good number of pages which you can later sell. Rinse and repeat, and that's your job. But if your niche is profitable on its own, I would suggest going for the long game. So things are getting pretty cliche. Grow a loyal audience that will buy from you, and they will trust you because you actually provide them value, and you can sell them digital products. That can be info products like courses, ebooks and stuff like that, or for example LUTs, or video editing presets, or Notion templates. There is always something to sell, and someone who is willing to buy. Then we're moving on to affiliate marketing. You've heard that before. If you're in the book niche, for example, and let's say you're posting about quotes or book recommendations, each time you post a thread about book recommendations, in the end of each section where you recommend a book, you can leave an Amazon affiliate link to that book. Or if you want something more profitable, you can suggest AI tools and have affiliate links of the tools you're promoting. Just make sure that you are honest and genuine about all that. Another kind of weird method that I haven't heard about a lot is Discord servers. You can literally create a Discord server where you and maybe your team help your audience, and then you grow that Discord server, then you can ultimately make money with that server. Basically the idea is that the people that join your server are your true fans, and by building this community, they are gonna be more willing to buy. Something similar is a newsletter. By having an email list, you can basically send bigger threads. They're basically articles. You provide value with those emails, and then within those emails you can promote affiliate products or even your own products. Or you can offer services. Twitter is a huge platform where people promote their agencies and their consultations because it has that more professional vibe to it. And last but not least, you can use that platform in order to build an audience on another platform. It's just easier content, and if you have the exposure and traffic, you can easily send them from A to B. So it's basically a supplement. So now that you know everything about this, you can watch this video next because the algorithm believes that you're gonna love it. So I'll see you over there.